In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in Framer. First, head over to Framer and make sure you're on the main workspace where your projects are listed. If you already know which design you want to edit, this part should only take a moment. Once you're in Framer, open your project. This is the file where the image you want to crop is located. Give it a second to load fully so you can clearly see the canvas and select the correct element without clicking the wrong layer. Next, click on the image you want to crop. In some cases, you may need to double-click instead of single-clicking, especially if the image is nested inside another frame or layout. The goal here is to make sure the image itself is selected, not just the section around it. After the image is selected, look for the crop option and click on it. This will switch the image into crop mode, which lets you adjust the visible area without replacing the image itself. This is useful when you want to focus on a specific part of the photo or make it fit better within your design. Now, use the corner handles to crop your image. Click and drag the corners inward or outward until the image looks the way you want. Take your time here and check the composition as you adjust it. A good crop can make the image feel more balanced and help it fit naturally with the rest of your layout. When you're happy with the result, click on Crop again to apply the changes. This confirms the crop and exits crop mode so you can continue editing your project. And that's it. That's how you crop an image in Framer quickly and easily. If needed, you can always select the image again later and repeat the same process to refine the crop.